We up here in college. We don't really know what to do. I see a whole bunch of bad bitches. Hey, how about a party? Let's start a party. Fuck it. It's a college party. You can think about party, party. All days is stay the birthday. 6 days, but don't forget the band.
Right. Perfect.
That's
perfect,
what we do over here, man. Make hits.
Right back on it. This time, when you do it, just make sure you get the first part out, not the I goes. Just the main hook.